Yes, man.
Alright, hold on, man. Hold on, guys. What go on right here, so? All my life, I was taught to believe that cats and dog, they no get along. What this me I see go on here, so? So you are telling me say all along, see, cat and dog good them way ya. For the cat, a breastfeed from the dog. So when they see we, they just go on like they no agree. But behind closed doors, a them type of intimacy I go on. Then close them way ya. The shook. What really in a dog milk? Where one cat want? What's so nice in a dog milk that one cat have to get it? Is it just a thing that you know the nurture vibe of mothers take over? Or that? So no matter which species of animal you be, if you're a mother, you just take over any little baby and anything, you feed them. So you go. Me a search for some answers. I would say I lie this, but you see, because of me actually record the video with my own and see it with my own two eye them, me shook. And me look you up on the internet, people me say it's a popular thing. Dog a breastfeed cat. So now we have to really wonder if cat and rat have beef like that. Are them a best friend? Them only put on a show because we are watch sometime. I say if you pre the cat, sometimes you see him grab a rat and you run around the car. I'm not going to kill him, I'll let him go, I'm brethren. Everything me know in a life is a lie. Everything me know.